Would you like to know the secret sauce that will help you create extraordinary success as a heart-centered life coach? Hi, I'm Morrissey, the author of 2 best-selling books, No Less Than Greatness and Building Your Field of Dreams, which became a PBS special. Entrepreneur.com recently interviewed successful entrepreneurs from many different industries. They asked them to share their secrets to creating huge businesses that made massive differences in the lives of others. So what these entrepreneurs revealed is actually quite surprising. The insider secrets they shared are the ones that you can apply directly to growing your life coaching business. And none of them are going to cost a penny to implement. So you're ready to find out what these 5 insider secrets are? Okay, here we go. Number 1, do what you love. Now, you're a transformational life coach. I think you've probably already chosen to do what you love, but you may not love doing all the things that are required to build that business. But because you have so much love for helping people, you're willing to do some things that are in service of doing the work that you really do love doing. So do what you love and bring love to everything you're doing. Number 2, don't wait, just start. Now, that's a principle that you can apply across the board in your life, but particularly in your business. Don't wait till everything's lined up. Don't wait till the laundry's done. Don't wait till all the emails are answered. Start building your business as you begin each day. Don't wait. Start your business and keep that start going. It was Vince Lombardi who said it's the start that stops most people. Number 3, surround yourself with a tribe of success-minded people. Think about the 5 people you hang out with most. Jim Rohn once said, there's something called the law of averages. And if you think of the 5 people you hang out with most, are they success-minded people really? Are they having a success equal to or larger than the success that you want to have in your life? You want to surround yourself with a tribe of success-minded people because you take the 5 people you hang out with most, Jim Rohn said, average their income, you're going to be making pretty much the same income. Not because the income is contagious, but the thinking that produces that income is contagious. Number 4, have a growth mindset. There's something called a fixed mindset, which is when I have more clients, then I'll be able to do better work, and then I will be happier. The truth is, if I be, then I will do, and I'm going to have the things I want to have. So a growth mindset is, what can I do by being a successful person today? And you bring your best success mindset to this day, you act out of that, and you're going to find yourself having different results. Have a growth mindset. Number 5, lead with a smile. It actually makes you feel better and it attracts other people to you. Now, just to recap, these 5 success secrets that I shared with you, and I want to say to you, these are deceptively simple, and they can be easy to discard because it's like, oh, well, that's not going to make that big a difference. The people who are most successful in business in our world, these are the 5 things that shape how they do their day, shape how they think, shape how they make decisions, and shape the results that we can all see they're having. So let's take these 5 things and incorporate them, really pour ourselves into them for a period of time, maybe the next 2 weeks. Really make these 5 part of the hand of the way you handle your business by these 5 ways. Do what you love. Don't wait, just start. Surround yourself with a tribe of success-minded people. Have a growth mindset. Lead with a smile. It makes you feel better and attracts other people to you. Again, these are all things you can start implementing in your business today and at no cost. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, please share it. And then for more step-by-step tools and proven strategies on how to grow a successful life coaching business that makes a profound and lasting difference in the lives of others and allows you to earn an abundant income working from anywhere you choose, click on the link below and download my free life coaching ebook. So thanks for watching today. I'll see you real soon.